Today, we are going to be making slime. So, for the first thing you need, you got to have all your ingredients. So, the first thing we need is a 4 to 6 ounce bottle of glue.
And we got our glue here.
Gotta have the glue. The next thing we need is Arm & Hammer baking soda. It doesn't have to be Arm & Hammer. It could be regular baking soda, but we have the Arm & Hammer baking soda. And then you gotta have contact solution. Here you go, there's the contact solution. And we have a couple of extra ingredients that aren't on this list. I just wanted to give you guys a second to look at the list.
Oh, and
we have food coloring to add some color.
We have glow-in-the-dark glue.
And we also got this kit because they sell kits just to make glue, slime. But we're going to show you how to make it from scratch. We got some glitter right there.
We got a giant bowl right here and our food coloring.
So the first thing we need to do is we got to pour 4 to 6 ounces of glue out. And I have this because I measured it, and this is 4 ounces. 4 ounces is half a cup.
How do it,
So,
Daddy?
yeah, you got to do 4 ounces. All right, so now we got to pour the glue. So here, pour it up to the line.
I'll tell you when to stop. Stop.
Okay, and we're gonna pour that right in here. And here, you could pour the next one
What do we need next?
for yours.
This baking soda.
That's enough. That's enough. And then pour it in the bowl.
I want to do glow in the dark.
The next step is to put 1.5 teaspoons or tablespoons of contact solution. One, and we put 2. Because, I mean, you could put a little bit more. It's okay if you put a little bit more. And here we go. One. And half.
Wait, one more.
We're putting a little bit more because this spoon's a little bit smaller than a regular tablespoon. And the next step is the baking soda.
It looks like slime already. Mine's getting like...
The next step is 1.5 tablespoons, or actually half a teaspoon of baking soda.
Okay.
So we're gonna put half. There you go. And then we're gonna put a half in yours. Here, you could put it in. Go ahead. There you go. All right, now start mixing. And see, when you start mixing it up, it starts turning into slime.
Oh yeah. See?
And if it's still a little bit loose and it's still a little bit if it's too sticky, you could put a little bit more baking soda in.
Yeah, there's not. It's like a little bit more sleek. It's that.
There you go.
Can I get a little more?
You want more?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh. Then you have to start using your hands.
Yeah, but you gotta mix it up nice. Yeah, see, yours is getting real slimy quick. And this is when you could put in the ingredients. You could put in some color. Some people put in paint. We're gonna put in some glitter. And
I'm making purple.
we got food coloring.
I'm making purple. I'm making pink.
All right.
Let's put our blue in first. Oh my god. Now our red. Let's close this blue up.
Little blue in.
And now the red. Can I get red? Because it turns into pink when you're done. Beautiful.
You only need like 1 drop. You don't got to put a million.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
It's so slimy. It's like a red and blue ombre. Or superhero thing. I don't know. But you would need to add yellow. Oh my god, it looks like blood a tiny bit.
I think you guys might need to add some more contact solution.
Yeah.
Because you put too much baking soda in. That's enough. See, you just got to, it's not, there's no perfect solution for the slime, but to make it however you want, you could add different textures.
Thing. Oh my goodness, it's still so colorful. Mine's like a colorful slime. Yours is just like pink.
Gonna add a little bit of
glitter. Should I use my hands? Should I use my hands and wash them?
You can.
So I'm gonna mix this with my hands. Ooh. Color. Oh my gosh, it feels so weird. See, it looks like almost like something like in your body.
Like an organ?
Like, you know, like your veins. Like your veins look like they are purple and blue. I'm gonna hold them too. AMG.
All right, and this is how you make slime.
I'm gonna put a little more of something in. Slime. Oh my god, mine's sticky. Oh, mine's still purple. It's turning purple. It still has a little blue, though. That's actually.
Well, here you go. Here's the directions and the ingredients again.
Me? Daddy, could you help me with the song?
And this is how you make slime.
Slime.
All right, and this is the final product. You got the purple one, and hers is a little bit more stiff.
Mine's pink.
And it's a little bit more hard, and Naomi's is a little more soft.
Wait, can I feel yours? Ooh, feel mine.
Peyton's is purple and all sticky.
It's not sticky. Mine's not. Dude, mine's not. Look at the
Good job.
coating in it. The fart coating in it looks so. Let me see this one now. Oh my god.
Now we're gonna do our glow slime, but maybe we'll save that for the next video.
For mine on YouTube. Peyton plays, by the way.